Hello, good morning, friends. This is Chaya. Welcome to the new episode of the poetry recitation. Wishing you all a very, very healthy, happy, prosperous, and successful year 2025. Hope this year is filled with fun, lot of happiness and peace for all of you. Today I am reading the poem Dust of Snow. Basically, this poem is a very short poem consisting of 8 lines. But this poem is a profound poem that highlights the transformative power of nature and small moments in life, and how the seemingly insignificant events or small things happening in our lives have a positive impact on us and how it changes one's perspective. First, I'll read out the poem and then we'll talk about the meaning of this poem. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me, the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. The poem emphasizes on how very small, insignificant events can bring about meaningful changes in one's perspective. The poet has described a simple act of the snow falling from the hemlock tree, but how it has altered the speaker's negative mood and it has given him happiness. Otherwise, which was a gloomy day, has now turned into a very, very happy day for the speaker of this poem. So, here I feel Robert Frost suggests that even in dark or unlikely circumstances, there is a potential for beauty and positivity. In the first stanza, wherein the speaker says, the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So here, I feel crow is used as a symbol for some darkness or some negative moments which happen in our lives. And despite its negative connotations, the crow becomes a catalyst for the speaker's shift in mood, because the crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. This is what the speaker says. So actually, the hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Normally, it represents sorrow or despair or some negative mood. However, in this poem, it is the source of snow, which brings renewal and hope for the speaker and changes the mood of the speaker. So, I feel dust of snow. The snow symbolizes purity, lightness, and transformation. And the falling of snow happens so gently yet powerfully, wherein the speaker immediately changes his outlook and he enjoys the day ahead, which he had otherwise ruined or spoilt, or he was feeling down or negative on that day. Actually, the simple structure of this poem, which has a very, very strong and profound meaning hidden in it, and it's giving us a universal message that even a smallest act or most unassuming moments in life can bring joy, and alter our perspectives. I feel this poem teaches us to remain open to the beauty and positivity in ordinary circumstances and to find solace in nature, even during the difficult times. Of course, this is my understanding of the poem. Please do let me know your understanding. How do you feel about this poem? And I have to request all of you, please do subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos with poem lovers, and see you soon with the next poem. Thank you so much. Goodbye.